Highas, and well, check this out. So, that's pretty dark. It rained today. Wait, watch this.
Huh. Hail. 20-degree temperature drop. Instant climate change. Whoa!
And while my little path did seem to work, this is really good lighting for it. There is one. There is one. And so here I am 200 feet or so down the driveway, one on each side of the V. So I'd say I got some trenching to do from there. Bring it all the way here. So looking so fast. And here, and while it's here, might as well move it out of the driveway. And so that being downhill, it seems to continue going that way. So maybe between those two, that might not be so great next to the concrete pad there. There's got to be a way. But yay, hey, look, trench party. All right, little update. Hope you enjoyed.